Make sure you got no weapons on you. Drop to the ground, drop to the ground, drop to the ground!
Welcome to another brand new episode of Cop Cam Chronicles, where we dive into the craziest police videos you've ever seen. We hope our videos can educate everyone and show you folks what not to do when encountering the police. For this video, we have these police officers who mistakenly shoots teenagers. Who would have thought these innocent souls would be mistaken as criminals? Even worse, it looks like these officers have no mercy on what they did. But the question is, are these teenagers really innocent at all? Let's find out in today's video. The footage featured in this video contain violence and sensitive scenes that might be disturbing for some audiences, so viewer discretion is advised. Let's take a look. In our first video, Utica police officers were patrolling the West Utica area near Shaw Street to assist the Criminal Investigations Division, CID, about a recent robbery investigation. The officers attempted to conduct a citizen stop of the 13-year-old suspect who was at the scene. Let's see what happens.
The reason why we're stopping, keep your hands out of your pockets. The reason why we're stopping is you're riding in the roadway and you're walking.
Oh shit, I forgot about that.
What do you mean you forgot about that?
He was just having fun.
The officers found the 13-year-old suspect alongside his buddy. Police begin to ask the two some questions. Not soon enough, the teen suspect takes off as fast as he could to get away from the officers. Shots were fired at the suspect while the officer is still trying to keep up. We can hear the suspect's friend being in shock.
Back up! Back up! Back up! It's got shots fired! Got shots fired!
Let me see.
He's got gun right there, gun right there.
Cover the cross street. We need to block those off.
Hey, give me a light!
Hopefully, the teenager will still be able to hold up after that single bullet. Here's how it happened from another officer's body cam.
I'll just pat you down and make sure you got no weapons on you.
Go! Stop reaching! Stop reaching! Fucking come it!
We can see that the chase didn't last long as the teen was shot almost immediately after pointing a gun back at the officers.
Start us in the ambulance. We got shots fired. Back up!
The officer immediately requested an ambulance after the teen was shot. We have to blur this part out as the footage is too sensitive to be shown. We can hear how devastated the suspect's friend is since he keeps shouting about how the officers shot his friend. In this third body cam angle, we can see how the incident happened from start to finish.
Stop reaching! Stop reaching! Back up! Back up! Back up!
We can see this resident being afraid of her life as the shootout happened in front of her house.
We need to block those off. The 900 block of Shaw needs to be closed off. Dude, you need to get a chest seal on that. You need to get a chest seal on it. Gloves.
There it is. We can see the panic on the officers' faces as they realized what they just did.
Give me a light! Give me a light! 24 Ellie's. Code 4, we got one male with a... It's a 22. I think it's 20.
The officers are now performing first aid on the teenager that they just shot. Hopefully he survives.
Are we all good?
Yep, we're good.
I don't know if he shot me.
Check him, buddy check him.
No, Ellie is code 4. Ellie's code 4.
Get a chest seal. I got a chest seal. I got a chest seal. One shot. One shot. It was me.
24 mark this time. We had a chest seal applied.
CPR is now being performed on the teenager. Where are the medics and what took them so long?
Let me get that.
Yeah.
You
I think it's a 22. I'm gonna go over here.
you got mag?
I don't have a mag. I don't know. He was aiming it at us. So I don't know.
900 block your shot. Kellogg, block it off on the western side.
In this second video, the Ohio Communications Center received a call from a citizen who reported seeing a 15-year-old teen with a gun. According to the caller, the teen was pointing the gun at houses. Moments later, a responding officer located the teen matching the caller's description walking around on Britton Road and Ottawa. Let's see what happens.
Where are you coming from? Can I see your hands real quick? Oh shit!
Hey, it's fake!
Shots fired! Shots fired!
It's fake! It's fake! It's fake! It's fake! It's fake!
Shots fired! Drop to the ground! Drop to the ground! Drop to the ground!
It's fake!
Now that was stupid. How come the officer quickly shot the teen without verifying he actually had a gun first?
It's fake!
All right, man. I'm here.
The teen insisted that the gun was a fake one. Now the officers are trying to handcuff him as they still can't confirm whether the gun is real or fake.
Fuck, man.
Fuck! Listen, I wanted to be safe. I just called.
Get the cuffs off.
Do I still got my pinky?
Yeah, can you start with the male has
Shit! Fuck! Please, sir, please.
Just relax, man. Relax.
Please. It's fake. It's fake. It's a fake gun. I promise.
Get the gun's right there. Just
I was scared, bro.
Hey, tourniquet. Tourniquet now. Tourniquet.
Yo, I got one right here.
Where you hit? Where you hit?
My hand. You can't see it? My hand.
Get a tourniquet on this. Yes. It's an officer involved.
Seems like the officer changed his mind and they offered medical aid instead.
Oh my goodness. Please, sir.
You'll be alright, man. It's just in the army.
I just wanted to be saved. My head.
Hey, someone notify radio. This is officer.
Bro, please, bro. Bro, please, bro. Shit.
Make it.
It's gonna hurt.
It's good. It's good. I don't got nothing on me.
No, this is just.
Again, we have to blur this part out for privacy purposes since he's still a minor.
Shit. I'm just coming from home. I came from my cousin's funeral and everything. Oh my God.
The teen tries to explain himself to try and get away with the situation.
In this arm. Just make sure. That's all we need. I don't know if they're gonna need to get this off.
I don't see anything in his back. You feel like you're hit anywhere else, man?
No, this is my hand. Please,
sit down.
officer, please.
We got paramedics coming, man.
I'm a good kid, bro.
Now he's proving that he ain't no bad guy. Getting A's in school? Now that's impressive.
Ah!
You're gonna be alright, man.
You're alright, man.
Get a perimeter set up. You're good.
We can hear the boy crying. Now, why would you wave a fake gun around in your neighborhood?
You got the okay to roll him over and sit him up and let him elevate that hand? Yeah. Got the tourniquet.
I can't feel my hand.
Yeah, I got the tourniquet on, man. I'm not gonna be able to.
Hey, it's because you got a tourniquet on, man. All right. Good. Well, let's get.
The tourniquet around his arm is now finished and set. This will stop the bleeding for sure.
We're gonna roll you this way.
My hand.
Don't worry about it. It's not that. Just have a seat. All right. Just relax. Hey, just elevate your hand. All right. Just elevate.
Look at that blood. Hopefully the police can bring him to the nearest hospital as soon as possible.
You're good, bro. You're messing with me.
My granny lived down the street, bro. My granny lived down the street, bro.
If you love shocking police interaction videos like this, you can show us your support by subscribing to our growing channel. Also, do us a favor and ring that bell icon to get notified for updates too. We'll see you around next time here at Cop Cam Chronicles.